Here is another informative video from Midtown Honda. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of having your tires in optimal condition. Tires are your first line of defense. When it comes to vehicle handling and safeties, tires are the contact between your vehicle and the road. If your tires are not performing in optimal condition, it could put you and your passengers at risk of sliding or possible collision. If you regularly service your vehicle at Midtown Honda, rest assured we inspect your tires with your regular routine maintenance. Typical tire failures are a cause of worn and uneven treads. Typically, a tire with less than 5/30 seconds of tread will experience traction loss. Uneven tread can cause premature tire wear and possible failure while driving. Other tire failures are bulges in sidewalls that can cause a tire to rupture. Proper tire inflation is extremely important. Underinflated tires can cause tires to overheat and rupture while driving. It can also cause sidewall wear. Overinflation can cause uneven tire wear and also rupture if inflated beyond tire maximum inflation. Proper tire inflation is extremely important. Underinflation could cause a tire to overheat and rupture while driving. It can also cause sidewall wear. Overinflation can cause uneven tire wear and also rupture if inflated beyond tire maximum inflation. Winter tires help a lot during the winter months. The winter tires have a softer rubber compound. The softer rubber compound stays softer during colder temperatures to allow for better traction. Winter tires should be installed when the temperature hits 7 degrees Celsius and removed when the temperature goes above 7 to prevent premature tire wear. If you have any tire needs, contact the service department at Midtown Honda to book an appointment. Thanks for watching.